In this video we will discuss about catalog menu. Click on vendor menu. Click on catalog menu. Here you can see vendors, commission, vendor products, and category. Click on vendors. Here you can see search filter for vendors like, search by vendor name, search by email, search by store name, etc. Here you can see list of all vendors. Click here to edit vendor details. Edit vendor general information here. Click on store. Edit store information here. Click on local. Edit all location details here. Click on image. Edit banner, store logo, profile pic here. Edit social profile here. Edit store URL here. Edit commission % here. Click on commission. Here you can see all commission list. Click on vendor list menu. Here you can see search filter. Like search by product name, search by model, search by quantity, etc. Now you can see vendor product list. Admin can edit vendor product here. Now click on category. Click on assign category. Click on add new. Enter vendor. Enter category. Here you can assign category to a vendor. Click on category. Here you can see vendor category list can edit. Thanks for watching this video. For other details visit www.letscms.com.